Hi, in this video I'm just going to demonstrate the motor, those 10 motors that I ordered, just to show you that they're running. These are very different motors. They're running at a much lower RPM. I calculate about 65 RPM. I'm using, get the power supply upside down there, it's 4.94 volts, about 5 volts I'd say. Okay, so I'm going to hook it up. That's where the motor spec'd at 5 volts, so let's do that. So here we go. And as you can see, it's running very slow. If you work it out in time, it ends up being 65 rotations per minute approximately. There's a lot of standard motors in around that speed, but this one is supposed to be much faster. So the gear ratio is wrong on this motor. So I can't use them because I need something with a these has to be much higher RPM, and as indicated in your ad, these are running way too slow. Okay, so that's the problem I have. Okay, thank you.